Hi guys, Happy New Year. We are into the first week of January. It is January 4th, Monday. Typically I read my stories over the weekend, but I have been insanely busy with work. So I apologize for that, but know that this video will be posted Saturday or the following Saturday. I don't know, I'm going to be a week behind, so forgive me. Just enjoy the story. So I have a new book for all of you. It's The Girl with the Waterfall Eyes, written by Newman. So I am really a newfound fan of his. I love his books. They are all in alignment with how I think. Positivity. I see the world in color, and I see the world broken, but I know there's hope out there. So I love any children's book that offers hope and joy and inspiration, because I'm all about impacting and inspiring. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Anna Lynn, and I wrote 9 children's books, Charlie and Marley's Great Discovery Series. This is Marley and this is Charlie, and I have an amazing illustrator, Daniela Torres. She's 16, and she helped me bring my characters to life, and I couldn't be any prouder of her and my characters. Change Your Stinking Thinking came out last year. The Little White Lie came out October of 2020, and my third book, The Art of Integrity, will be coming out very soon. I'm shooting for April or May of 2021. So be looking out for that. So without further ado, let me read The Girl with Waterfall Eyes. And before we begin, I have 4 breathing techniques that I promised the author I would share with all of you. So I'm going to breathe in, because I breathe for me. I'm going to breathe in because I breathe for you. I'm going to breathe in because I breathe for us. And lastly, I'm breathing in because I'm breathing for all that surrounds each and every one of us. So, boys and girls, get all your giggles and wiggles out. Let's shake them all out. And let's read. The Girl with Waterfall Eyes. There was once a girl who stood upon the world, gazing at all of nature's beauty. Waterfalls of light fell from her eyes, trailing colors so beautiful. Like a shower of petals, soft and gentle they fell, bringing joy to all. Moved by love, she walked with the rotation of the earth. Each footstep landed in perfect time and perfect place to keep her balance and the balance of the world. Flowers of radiant colors grew behind each step, spreading her happiness and marking her path with love. It was said that she could see through storms and clouds beyond all difficulties in a person's soul. And to be seen by her was the greatest gift a soul could ever hope for. For For in her eyes, where the waterfalls parted, was the mirror of all the beauty the world has ever seen, shining in perfect reflection. At night, as darkness fell, the east disappeared, then the north, south, and west. Soon the whole world was lost below her. Uh-oh. What happened? Scared that she would stand on something precious, she stopped walking. But the earth kept turning. She lost her balance and fell off the world. She drifted out into the darkness, past the moon and past the stars. Tumbling and twisting, she fell through time and space, past black holes and galaxies, spiraling waterfall colors across the dark night sky. All she saw was beautiful, and all that was seen by her began to sparkle, shining in perfect reflection. As the sun's first rays dawned across the universe, every curve and spiral of her nighttime waterfall twinkled across the heavens, making a clear path for her to find her way. Where's she gonna go? To find her way home. The end. And may I say, these beautiful illustrations were illustrated by Aronson. If I mispronounced your name, I'm so sorry. This book is so perfect. And it just is a good reminder that no matter how dark the world may seem or craziness that's going on in the world, if you see things with beauty and you see God's perfection and just show love and peace and joy, your world will shine bright, just like the girl with the waterfall eyes. So if you liked this book, you can find it on Amazon. I will be reading one more of his books. In fact, I'm probably going to order more because they're so good. His first one will be, you'll probably hear that the week before this. So that's another good one. I'm not going to give it away. I'm not going to tell you the title because it's the perfect title. So just be looking for that. And then again, also, if you're interested in The Little White Lie, Change Your Stinking Thinking that I wrote, please feel free to visit char-marbooks.com. You can view my website and order books there, or you can order on Amazon. But if you order through my website, I will sign everything. You will get little surprises in your book. So take a look and see. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day and share the love. Shine bright. See ya.